Hey, what's up? What's up? This is Quinn Harris, and I've been taking the Forex Beginners Academy training, and I'm gonna tell you, it has really helped me. I'm so grateful for this course. I read a book or two on trading, um, but this course by far has been the best. I mean, uh, learning how to identify 2 point touch with support and resistance, switching back and forth from the lines to the candles. Um, oh man, like I said, it's packed with information. It's a serious course. I couldn't believe it was 100% free. Like I'm just so grateful for that. The structure of the course is like building blocks. It helps you step by step. The videos are packed with lots of information. And the best thing about it, our instructor gives us feedback. He encourages us to do different activities and ideas to build your confidence in the Forex. The private student group is amazing. You feel like you've accomplished something by making it into the group, and all the love and support that's there for each and every student. Um, my advice to you is, if you're ready to get serious about trading Forex and ready to pick up some tools and some knowledge that will take you all the way from just pushing buttons and hoping that you make a little bit of money to some profitable chart analysis, then take this course. Forex Beginners Academy training is amazing. It's changed my life. I'm so grateful for it. I look forward to just growing further in this, and I hope you'll do the same. Forex Beginners family.